Hello, in this section we are going to see how to make the communication between two different networks. So what we are going to do, we will create a container named C1 and going to connect this with the default network, that is the bridge one, and we will create another container named C2 and connect this one to our network which we have created, the test network. This is a custom network with the driver is bridge as well, right? So we will see whether we are able to make the communication. We will try to ping these two containers with each other. We are able to do it or not, and if we are not able to do it, then how we can make the communication between these two containers which are running on different networks. Let's see now. First let me see the network. Okay, we have the bridge and we have test which we have created, right? So we will create a container with this one and we will create a container with this one. So bridge we will create C1. Okay, first docker run -itd name C1, exposing it to port 80, 81, 80 and nginx. Okay, and then another container C2 and network test. Simple. Docker run -itd, the name of the container and which network you are going to connect it with to. So this test one and the port number 808280 nginx. Okay, now see docker network ls 2 and now docker container ls. Okay, perfect, working. Now we will access C1. We will access this container and try to ping with C2. Okay, we will access this container C1 and try to ping C2, but before that we need the IP address of this container. So how can we get the IP address? We will inspect the containers. Docker inspect C1. So this is the IP address of C1. And for C2, simple, this is the IP address of my C2 container. Now we will access this container C1 and try to ping with this network. Let's see how we can access this container. Docker execute -it and the name of the container C1 and bash. Now I am inside this container, right? I am inside the container. Now I need to see, even I can see my IP address because I need to, even ping command is not there. I need to download these commands, but first apt. Okay, you. Now how can I install these commands? So apt install IP utils, that is the name, -ping. Okay, remember this one, IP utils -y. Unable to locate package IP utils ping. So if you are going to get this error, just make sure you have run this command first. Update. You need to update the repositories of this one as well. Okay, now install this command. Okay, I need to install this command with the different package. Okay, but ping command is there. Okay, now ping to which this one. This is C2. Copy. No, I can't ping because this is the different range, right? And this is of my different range. So what I need to do now, I will exit from this one. Okay, I will exit from this one. Now see, docker inspect test. I'm inspecting the test network. So it is saying, it is showing me also like only C2 container is attached to this network. So what I need to do now, I need to attach C1 container also to this network. in terms to make the communication between these two containers. Okay, so how can I do that? Command is simple, docker network connect and the name of the network test and the container name c1. Okay, sorry, first container will the network. Okay, sorry, docker, sorry for the typo. Okay, docker network connect, first the network name and then the container name. Now see, if I am going to inspect this test network, now c1 is connected to this one and c2, right? c1 and c2. So what does this mean? If someone asks you, it is possible, whether it is possible that single container can have multiple IP address, so your answer can will be yes, because this container c1 is connected to two networks. Now this c1, this is the IP address, right? 2.2. correct. Now let's try to execute this container again and try to ping it. Ping this IP address. See, got it? It is very simple. You just need to connect that container to that network which you need to make the communication with. Got it? It is very simple and easy. Just try to understand these concepts. Now I will see you in the next session. Thank you.